Welcome to our as the last of this slide as sixth part of the tutorial. And my previous slide I forgot to add this cross button. So basically how I do that is I keep the rectangular shape here and added the X button on this by using a text box. So you can see that this is basically a text box and the other is the rectangular shape. So you don't worry that how you can add this, and I hyperlink it to our next slide. Here insert we go to actions and we hyperlink to, if we click the cross button, that means and show. No, sorry, if that go to the last slide, or you want to exit. So this is how the slide number 7. So I hyperlink it to everything, and here I added my logo. So this is basically I want to animate it. So I want to edit the wheel option. So basically it start to repeat it several times. So whenever I click on it, I want to animate. So I dured it. So here you go to the animate plan, and here you just go to the start on click or start with previous one. So we just added it at start with previous. And here you can go to the timing, and if you want to that this is circle by repeated times, so you can click that until the end of the slide. So you just OK it, so you can see this will be repeated several times. So we go to the home page. And this is how and when anyone clicks the yes button, this means this slide goes to end. So we just click the end show. Okay, and if anyone click the no options, then it means it's go to the previous slide. So this means the previous slide. And now we just preview it from the first one. So you just see that it shows that some transitions like that, and here my text also come, and here my logo remaining the repeated times. And now I am the home button of my channel or blogs. So whenever I click on the food blogs, I will go to the food would be options, and when I click on the text box, I go to the text option, sorry, art blocks, and when I click on the images, I go to the image option. So here I basically, this is here I have done a little bit mistake that I didn't add it in this slide. So whenever I click on the foot block, whenever I click on the tag block, I didn't hyperlink it. That's why it is take a mistake. So whenever I click on the tag block, so whenever tag block is 5 number slide, so it goes to 5 number slide. So whenever I click on the art block, this is art block remains slide 4, and whenever I click on the image, it goes to the 6 number slide. Okay, and this is basically art block, and this is not an art block, this is my tag block. So I fill this option, this is tag blocks, and last one is images. So I repeated it again. So I go to the foot blocks here, tag blocks here, art blocks here, tag blocks, here's the art blocks, and here the images. And are you want to exit? I click on the, if click yes, then it's the show, and if we click no, then it goes to the our previous slide. That this type of previous images show. So this is how you can add this as your assignment or your previous slide. So I hope this slide will fruitful to you to do your presentation, and if you have further queries, please click on the comment options. I hope this slide will help you. Thank you.